So today, have you completed that uninstallation of PyCharm also?
PyCharm data.
Okay, you have. Can you just go to your Windows Explorer? Use Alt Tab. I think your Windows Explorer is already open. Yeah, expand it. Maximize. Okay, can you go to your downloads? So, okay, PyCharm is available and Python is also available. Okay, fine. So we will just run through the installation procedure first. Okay, then we will take care of the second activity. Quickly we'll run. Okay, so can you remove the first file, which is PyCharm Community Edition, and please hold on, don't yeah, select that file and shift delete. Shift by pressing shift key, you press delete key. Yeah. So read this. Are you sure you want to permanently delete the files? Okay. If you use the delete, it will go into trash. Okay. But if you use shift delete, it will permanently delete. So you can say yes. Okay. Because I do not want the space to be occupied on our hard disk. So the reason we can remove unwanted things. Similarly, Python 3. The third file, which is followed by, towards the end of it, there is a 1 in the brackets, right? That file is a duplicate file. You can remove that file also.
This
Same.
one.
Yeah. Select and shift delete. Yeah, that one. Correct. Yeah. Yes.
Press it. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And yeah, leave this as it is. And now you go to you search for in your Windows search. In your Windows search, you do add remove programs. It is already there. Click that.
Yes.
Yeah, enter. Okay. In the search apps, type PyCharm. In the search apps, type PyCharm. PY. Yeah. Yeah. And not required. It has already come. So towards the end of that PyCharm Community Edition, you find 3 dots, right? Uninstall that.
Yes. Yes.
So you can make a note of the uninstallation process also. It is very simple. Normally, all the Windows applications are next.
Press it
And,
on.
yes. We will install, I will let you know the step-by-step procedure to install it in a proper fashion. Okay, so that you don't have any issues in the future. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute. Please hold. Right. You are slightly faster, Shiva, because there are few selection criteria there, right? So you have to tweak. Otherwise, what happens is normally these application software will leave some files, so we do not want them to be left there. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, no worries on that. Yeah, you can even click on show details. You can click on show details. Yeah. So if you can scroll up, yeah. So those are all the files. You can just pull that gray button towards the top. Directly pull it towards the top. Yeah. So so it starts from there. See, it is starting from the registry. Okay, HKLM is a registry key. Okay, it starts from there and removes everything. Okay, If you can just
Oh.
the end, once again, you scroll to the end, pull that gray bar towards the end, bottommost part. Yes, yes. And then it has already deleted that file also, link file, okay, which is a kind of a shortcut file, and it says completed.
Oh.
Okay, so
Oh.
your uninstallation was completed successfully. Okay, this is what you have to see. If there is any problem, it says there was a problem during the uninstallation process. Okay,
Oh. Oh.
okay, you can close this. Okay,
Yeah.
please be slow a bit. So in the
Okay.
place of PyCharm, can you type Python? You can remove charm and say THON. Yeah. So Python launchers are there, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, let us see if we can remove those launchers as well. So uninstall those launchers as well. Yeah. Right side
Pressing
three
the three
buttons.
dots.
Yes, yes, same process. There's no rocket science in this. Yeah. That's it. Okay, we will observe the changes. What happens to your machine, we observe. Okay. So yeah, once again, the launcher, second launcher also you can remove. Uninstall. Uninstall. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
your
Understood.
where is that window? I think can you press Alt tab to go into that add remove programs window? Let us check and see if everything is okay. This is Explorer, right? You have to go into
Yes.
the add remove programs, Alt tab. By pressing
Yes, sir.
Alt key,
Yeah.
you can go. Yeah. Right now, everything is clean. Your PyCharm is not
Yes.
there. Your Python is not there. Okay. So now let us assume that this is a fresh machine on which you wanted to install. Okay. Forget about your previous installations. Okay.
Oh.
Just forget about them. Okay. Now I will show you the installation procedure. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can close this. No problem. You can close this, or you can also minimize it for a while. Minimize it. Yeah.
Yes.
We will come and see what all gets installed there. Okay.
Okay.
So the first installation has to be Python because that is the interpreter. Okay. If you install PyCharm first and then Python, okay, there may be a file linkage problems. Yesterday we have seen, right? So we have to manually do the file linkage. Okay. So if such kind of a phenomena is there, then you should have installed PyCharm first and then Python. Okay. The right way of doing things is you install Python first. Okay. That is you double click on Python 3.11.4 hash on the hyphen and AMD. Yeah. Double click on that.
Okay.
I hope you got your notes, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, this I think you have opened the properties. Not necessary. Not necessary, Shiva. You can close the properties. Cancel.
Close the
Cancel.
office.
Cancel. Yeah. And now you double click on the file name. Yes.
Properties comes.
Why is it opening properties? Because it has to. Okay. Yeah. Can you say okay? Can you say okay? Just say okay. Okay. Then. Okay, you have selected that file, correct? Don't use mouse. Don't use mouse. The file is selected, correct?
Yes.
Now press enter. Can you press enter? Enter key. It's still opening properties. There is some problem. Your this thing. You're doing something. A mistake is happening. Okay. Anyways, read only hidden security. The file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. Security. Can you check that unblock in the properties window? Unblock. Yes. And then say apply. And then say okay.
Works.
Now double click on the file name. Let us see if the property once again opens.
Once again,
No, close this. You should always try to make a habit to double click on the file name, not anywhere else. Let us see. Yes, there seems to be some problem. Security details, compatibility, digital signature, previous version, AMD. It is an executable file. Why is it not running? Cancel. Cancel. Yeah. Then right click on the file name. Okay. Okay. Just hold on. Huh? Just hold on. So you can say run as administrator.
the double click.
Yeah. Nice. Single click. Selection is only single click.
Okay.
Some background noise. Somebody is there. 1 minute. Please hold on. I hear some background noise. Is somebody in the room or? Okay, please.
No, he's cleaning.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. Yeah. So what we can do now, have you seen, we tried different options. Double click does not work. Somehow your machine is opening the properties, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So yeah, we will look at it at a later stage, why it is happening, maybe some issue. Okay. So now this is the first screen. When you start the installation, this is the first screen. Then you can say customize installation or install now. Okay. We will choose whatever is the best for us for now. Later on, we will go into advanced installation. Okay. So don't be in a hurry. Please check the box in front of add python.exe to path. Please check that box.
We see.
No. Underneath, down there is one checkbox, right?
Yes.
Add python.exe to path. Check that box.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. Select that. No double click, only single click. Double click does not happen always. Okay.
Single.
Well, yeah. If you double click, it will select and deselect. Okay. So only single click here. Now you go to install now and click on install now. Yeah, 1 minute. Please hold on. Have you seen that path? Have you seen that path? See users, Shiva, app, data, local programs, all the path is. We have seen yesterday the same path.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you are installing any software, you have to remember the path. It is most important.
Yes.
Majority of the people don't do that. Okay.
Yes.
Even the programmers who do advanced programming, they simply say next. They don't look at, I'm not talking about all of them, majority of them. They don't care to look at the path. But it is very important for us to see what is the path, where it is installing all that stuff. Okay. The setup is very simple, correct? So you don't have anything to do. Only thing is you have to add that python.exe to path. Okay. That is the only thing we have done, and we have clicked on the install button. That's it. Okay. Now, so you can say close. Rest of the things we'll talk about a bit later. Okay.
Okay.
Our next sessions. Yeah. You can say close. Okay. Your Python is now installed. Okay. So that means if you type ideally in your Windows search, it has to start Python. Can you just check in Windows search? Can you type Python? Python? Yeah. Yes. Press enter. Press enter. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So your Python is there already. Okay. So now the same operations, right? So I equal to 1, I equal to 2, all that operations that we have discussed earlier, you can do it here at a later stage. Okay. So from here, you can even open a file. Okay. How do you open it? Can you press Control and O? Control and O. By pressing the control button, you have to click O. Okay. If you already have the files that are there, already you have uploaded some files, then you can use Control O to open the file. Okay. Now we can do some Control N also. You can say cancel. Now that we don't have any files, okay. What we can do is cancel this. Cancel. No, don't press. Yeah, okay. That's okay. There is a cancel button just beside open. Okay. Don't close the window. There are buttons for some reason. Okay. So you have to use those buttons. No problem. Now, to open a new file, you have to say Control N. Because there is no file already existing, you have to say Control N. Now you got a new file. This is a new Python file. Okay. So can you type a print command? Say print hello and good morning. This is Shiva. Can you enter that statement, please? Close bracket. Yeah. Okay. This is one line, single line code. Let us assume that this is a single line code. And yeah. Now, can you press run? You have not saved the file yet. Okay. We have not saved the file. Run. Just click on run. Okay. Run module. Yeah. Hold on. Don't press anything. Just hold on. Okay. So what is it saying? Can you read that out?
Source must be saved. Okay to save. Source
must be saved. Okay to save. What it is conveying is, okay, Shiva, we have your file, but we have not saved the file. So that is what it is trying to say. Okay. So now, until unless you save the file, it will not be easy for us to execute. Okay. So please save the file. You have to click on OK.
Okay.
Select OK. Yes. Okay. Just a minute, Shiva. Just a minute. Hello, Shiva. Your
okay, sir.
mic is
okay.
Yeah. Just a minute. I'm just connecting. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So yeah. Now what you do is here you write your file name. That means to say, you can say sample01. That's it. Sample SAMPLE 01. That's it. Just press enter. Don't select anything. Just press enter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It saved your file and it has also executed the code. Did you get the output?
Yes, sir. Hello
What
and
did you
good
do?
morning.
Yeah, hello and good morning, Shiva.
Thank
Correct.
you.
That's a simple statement. Okay. So let us now press Control O. Now press Control O.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you scroll down with the help of that scroll bar? Right side scroll bar. Can you scroll down to see that file? Yes, that one, correct. Come down. Yes. Do you see the file now?
No, sample 0.
Yes. Open it. We will do few operations and then we will install PyCharm also. Okay.
No. Yes, sir. Open it.
Open. Okay. So now you say I equals 1.
Yes.
Okay. Then next line, j equal to 2. J equals 2. Okay. Now you say print. Print. Yeah. Start the bracket. Hyphen. Single quote.
Yes, sir.
The sum of
Okay.
P has to be capital. The sum of two numbers. Two numbers.
Yes.
Is
Yes.
colon
Yes, sir.
space. Close the
Single quotation.
yeah, single quote, comma,
Yes.
I plus j, space, I plus j. Okay, close the bracket.
Close the round.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, that's it. Enter. Okay, now we have seen the add. Okay, now we will also see multiplication also. One more operation, then we can go ahead with the rest of you can take care of the rest of the activities. Okay, so copy that command, the print command, copy that print command. Go up, yeah. Just do what I say. Okay, do what I say. By pressing shift button, okay, press down arrow.
1 minute.
Yeah. Now you say Control C.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You said the C. No, hold on. Don't do anything. Unless I tell you, don't touch even a button. Okay. So you are slightly quicker. So Control Z. Can you press Control Z? Let us see if we can. Control Z once again. It is not functioning, right?
Yes.
Your statement has gone. So you have to be very careful when you type, do Control C, press Control and then C. That is what you have to do. Yeah, retype the entire statement once again.
Okay.
enter, press enter. Okay. Now, yeah, up arrow,
Yes, sir.
shift, and then down button.
Yes, sir.
Shift down button. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay. By keeping the control button pressed, okay, select C.
Oh,
You should not
yes, sir.
leave the control button. You have completed control C.
Yes.
You have copied. Now down arrow. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Control V. If you have pressed rightly, control C,
Yes.
it should print. Yeah. Now it is correct. Now what you do is the product of two numbers. Change sum to product.
Yes.
The word sum to product. Yeah, that one.
Yes, sir.
Then it is not 1 plus j, correct? It is 1 into j.
Yes.
1 and star j.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now you press Control S to save the file. Save the file.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you run the program. I think function F10 will run the program. Just check. Run. Yeah, it is saying F5, right? Run module. It says F5. So remember that. For next time we will use that function key. Yeah, run the module. Yeah.
Sir.
Is it correct? Is the result correct?
Yes.
1 plus 2 equals 3, and
3.
1 into 2 equals 2.
1 into 2.
Okay. So what is happening is, see, observe it very, very carefully. All your lines are one after the other. They seem to be slightly cluttered. Correct? They seem to be everything in, one after the other, one after the other they are. So if we want better readability, what we should do, we will see. Go to the program.
So press into
Control O. Yeah, open the program. Yeah.
Sample 0.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we wanted to insert some spaces, right? So that it looks nice. So first the print statement, go to the first print statement. Yeah. And in front of H, in front of hello H, right? Okay. Yeah. After the yeah, there. You press backslash N. Backslash N. N. Yeah. Do the same thing for the rest of the print statements.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will not save. Don't save this file yet.
Okay.
Okay. We will see what the interpreter will convey the message. Okay. So hold on, my battery has gone down. Let me switch on my power. Okay. Fine. Now run. Can you hit on run? F5. F5. Yeah. Let us see if you are, you are able to run the program from the keyboard function keys.
FA is not working.
Not working. You have FN button, right? You have to press FN and then F5.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now it is running. Now it is, hold on, don't do anything. Okay, it is running. What it is saying, source must be saved. Okay, we have not used the Control S button. So that is the reason why it is saying I have to save first, then run. Okay, so save it. Okay, you say okay. Then it automatically runs. Now you see the difference between two statements. Earlier output and the present output. Now it is looking neat, correct?
Neat. Yes, sir.
So that is how you have to, even work on the output. It has to be pleasing for the customer. Tomorrow you are developing a software for a customer. Your representation of the data has to be neat, clear, correct? So okay. Now let us leave this. So you can quit the ideally shell. How do you quit ideally shell? What is the command? What is the shortcut key?
Control D.
Absolutely fantastic. Please go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah. You can close this file also.
No.
Function F4, I think, will close the file. Can you just check function F4?
Control D.
No. Control D will not work here. It only works in ideally. Control D does not work in any other files. Okay. Yeah. Function F4. Just check and see if it works.
Function F4. Not working.
Not working. Then close it. Close it. We'll look at the function keys later. Not minimize.
Okay, minimize, sir.
Close. Yeah, close.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to save? Yeah. Because you made some backspace and other things, it is asking you to save. You can say yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we will go to the installation of PyCharm. Okay.
Okay.
And then we will close this session. We will connect back in another session. Okay. After finishing PyCharm. So you have the second file, right? PyCharm community 2023. Yeah. Please select that. Please select that. Please start the installation. Don't ever click on date. File name only. So make it a habit.
Yes, sir.
What's happening? It is going into edit mode.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. There is some problem. There may be some problem with your, mouse. Some button is already pressed on your keyboard. Something. Just select that file. Yeah. Hold it. Don't right click.
Yes.
Yeah. Run as administrator. So there seems to be some problem with your machine. Please check that at a later point after our session is completed. Okay. So until that time, you can say for executing any file, you can say right click and run as administrator. Okay. Yeah. You can, if you wanted to make a note of these screens, what they are trying to tell, you can say, okay, go one after the other. Don't rush. Okay. So next. Hold on. Okay. So where is that? What is the destination folder? Can you copy that destination folder? See program files, JetBrains, PyCharm Community Edition 2023. That is the folder. Remember that. Okay. Now you say next. So one more thing is space required. See, it is clearly telling you that I need 1.5 GB on your hard disk. And what is the free space? It is 400.9 GB of hard disk space is free. I want only 1.5 GB out of 400 GB. That is what it is trying to convey. Now, these points are important, though they may not carry any value in future. Okay, for a starter, these are important. Okay, you can say next. Okay, don't rush. Move the cursor away from next button, because incidentally you click on that, then it goes to the next process. Okay. Now create desktop shortcut. Okay, add open folder as project. Okay, create associations, add bin folder to path. Select all of them.
Okay.
Create desktop. Okay, then update path. It says restart needed. Yeah, that one. That one. Then add
update
open. That also you select. Add open folder as project. Then create associations. Okay.
All are selected.
So when we say create association, yesterday what we have done, we have opened it with PyCharm. So henceforth, you don't need to do that process. You just have to double click the Python file. It automatically opens in the PyCharm. Okay. Yeah, you can say next. Yeah. So there is nothing much, right? It says start menu folder, which is JetBrains. Okay, Python, PyCharm. Most probably these software are from a company called JetBrains. You can say yes, next, install. Okay. You can press on show details if you wanted to observe how and what are getting installed. See, you see there are so many jar files.
Jar.
.jar extension files. Yeah, which are extracted. Okay, and then they are mostly copied onto few folders. That is the installation process. Okay, let it complete. It will take a while, and then most probably you are required to restart the machine. Okay, we will connect back after we restart the machine. Okay. So how is the internet speed? Has it improved or is it still the same, Shiva, at your place?
Is not improved, sir. Mobile data.
Okay, you are working on mobile hotspot.
Change your plans.
Okay.
Only 15 days only.
No problem.
Get
Take
back to Hyderabad.
Yeah. No problem. Even if you are coming to Hyderabad, if you want to talk to your parents on any video calling, it is a must for you to have a decent, good internet connectivity back home. So make sure that the best internet connectivity is there at home, and then move to Hyderabad. Otherwise, your parents will have some problems, right? After you leave, then you may have to go on video call. They will not be able to go on video calls with the
video calls is not problems on at least.
Then
that installation
is, yeah. Then that is okay. That you can manage. Okay. And I think we need to have a private room for you. Okay. Because I see a lot of background noise, somebody moving. So during the video calls, those are not supposed to happen. Okay. Yeah. So now you can say reboot. Okay. But before rebooting, select, I will give you some instructions. Select reboot now and then finish. Okay, then your machine will reboot. After some time, we will meet because our connection will be lost. I will lose you on Zoom. Okay. So most probably after 10 minutes, we will once again connect. Okay. I will send you a